Most people know Vitality extracts for their amazing essential oils, but they also have wonderful handmade diffuser jewelry. I love so many of the bracelets, so I just want to share a couple of them with you today. I love this one because of the glass and it's so colorful. And this one with the calming stone, it's called White Howlite, along with the cypress beads. I absolutely love them, and they make great gifts too. They come with either lava beads or wood beads that slowly diffuse your favorite oils throughout the day. No mess, and they look amazing on. They also have all sorts of different gemstones that you can pick from. Rose quartz, amethyst, and white howlite are some of the most popular. I get so many compliments and I love to wear them and share them with others. I want to show you how to use them. It's really simple. First, select your favorite essential oil and put 1 to 2 drops onto your finger or cotton swab. Then apply the essential oils to your diffuser bracelet by lightly coating 2 or more lava or wood beads, or use your roll-on. Once the beads are coated with oil, they should be turned to the inside of your wrist and the scent will diffuse for 6 to 12 hours.